Introducing Smartinny KS-1, one of the first Apple minimalist design mechanical keyboard. With a thickness of 16 millimeters and matte finished keycap, KS-1 gives you ultimate typing experience. Whether it is at office, at home, wired and wireless connection, it's designed to fit your daily needs. There are 19 RGB backlight modes, giving you a sense of uniqueness, and you can get inspired from every tap. You can carry KS-1 wherever you go to experience a simple lifestyle and filled with inspiration. KS-1 is not only thin, but weighs only 0.5 kilograms, and it can be paired with up to 3 devices. The user-friendly approach features Mac and Windows layout. Compatible with iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac. Its shortcut keys allow you to control the computer volume, brightness, backlight modes, etc. So what are you waiting for? KS-1 mechanical keyboard is just the right one you're looking for.